Hello guys and girls, basically this is a quick video on how to duplicate anything in the game.
This can only be done in multiplayer, and obviously I can't do it because I'm the horse, so Danny's going to help me. Only he can do it. Now this is anything that you can either put on a shelf or put in someone else's backpack, and we're just going to do it with this ammunition here.
Basically what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick the buckshot ammo up, all of it. Right, so then I'm going to save the game, like so. Then I'm going to give Zach all the ammo, what I've just collected, as so.
So, oh, just knocked me down. Sorry mate, you knocked me down the stairs.
Does that push you when I give you it?
Yeah, it pushes me every time you give it, for some reason.
Kind of weird. Hold up, right. So there we go, still giving him the ammo, like so. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to quit.
I'll put it back on the shelf ready mate, so it's there waiting for you. Where are we at? Buckshot.
Right, so I'm going to join Zach again, but bear with the loading screen. I don't know if you just guys get it as well, but it takes me ages to load into my friends' games on this. But I guess it's a game preview, I don't know, they might fix it, we'll see. Just bear with it.
Yeah, they will fix it mate, it'll get better as the updates come. Oh, Kelvin's finally got his way back.
The long haul. I'm going to do the glitch one more time so you'll see what will happen. I'm going to basically go back in. I'm going to pick the ammo again, which should have doubled now. Give me 16, didn't I, Zach?
I think so.
Yeah, so it should be what? 32?
Yeah.
32, it should be 32 there, I'll pick that up. Give it again, leave, join back, and then we'll have doubled that, it will be 64. And again, this works with any item in the game, but it only works in multiplayer, you can't do this on solo. The game's done that crash thing again, it'll load, I'll just have to wait seconds. So I should be loading back in now. I should have the exact same amount, so the ammo what I give Zach, just put on this pillar here, so it'll be 16. I'll open my inventory now, and I will still have the 16 bullets as you can see. So we'll do it one more time. I'm going to take all the ammo. Then I'm going to save. Then I'm going to give ammo, this should be what, 32 bullets? Bear with me, I don't know what it's doing.
I'm going to try and make sure it don't push me this time.
Yep, like I said, 32 bullets. Give him all the ammo. So, same process, quit, but remember don't save, you have to save when you pick the ammo off the shelf, and then, yeah, basically just join back, and we now should have, what is it, 34 bullets? 64.
Yeah, I'm putting my 32 back on the shelf mate, once I've At least it'll be ready for you.
We should have tripled that ammo. This is like so efficient. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a bad PC, but it seems to run this game like a piece of dog shit. So it might be a bit quicker for you.
Right, mate, I'm going to leave it here, just so it's not long.